Hey guys, so to set up AppSetter on live chat, all you need to do is make sure that these two workflows are enabled. Now, inside, you'll want to double check that the triggers are configured correctly. So, if we zoom in here, then you see I filtered the reply channel to live chat, and I'm making sure that they do not have the tag AppSetter start. And if they meet these requirements, then the start workflow is triggered. And all this does is it adds the tag and it triggers the webhook. Now, this link is different to the ones in the workflow because this is our dev account, but everything else is exactly the same. You have your API key, you have the reply channel, you have the opening message instructions. Now, here you could say, for example, greet the contact and ask who you are speaking to in order to update. Actually, we'll just say greet the contact and ask who you are speaking to. Then we have the agent's label, and everything else is exactly the same. So we will save this workflow. Now we will check the continue workflow. And the trigger is here. We're just checking that they're replying for live chat, and this time that they do have the tag AppSetter start. So long as they meet these requirements, then the continue workflow will trigger. Then, again, we have the webhook, we have our API key, we have the response message type, we have the additional context, and we have our agent label. So nothing else changes there, apart from additional context instead of opening message instructions. So once this is updated, make sure it is published, and that is the workflow section complete. Then you need to go into Sites, go into Chat widget, and in here you can customize like the avatar shown in the live chat, the greeting message, any of the other good stuff. Then in here under chat type, you select live chat. Then again, you may want to adjust these settings so that it gathers contact info if they don't reply after so long, or if the agent messes up for whatever reason and doesn't reply. And once you've configured all of this, you want to click on Get Code. Then you want to copy this, go into your funnel, edit your funnel. Then you want to add a custom code block. And this, if you just search for it, you'll find it. Add this block in. Then if you click on open code block, you just paste in the code that you copied, click save, and so long as that page is published, then you can view it. So let's take a look here. So down the bottom right here, if we open this up, we will start in a chat. I will say, hey. Now, I've not set the message grouping interval, so this will take maybe 30 seconds or so to respond. But if you want to reduce this, just set the message grouping interval seconds to like 10, 15, and that way the AI will respond much quicker. By default, we have a 30-second buffer in there in case the prospect lead customer asks a series of questions back to back. So I'll pause this now until we get a reply. Okay, we have our reply. So now if I say, for example, can you tell me about AppSetter? Then again, we'll wait 30 seconds or so for a reply. Then here we go, we have a reply. Now, for this channel, I do not have message splitting on, hence why it sent a long reply. But you can easily adjust this. This is just a demo example on our dev instance. So that's how you set up live chat. Now, if you want to book people through live chat, then I'll recommend you add in the requirement for name, email, and phone number in the agent. Let me show you that now. Okay, so within AppSetter, if you're using live chat, I would recommend you tick all three of these boxes. Otherwise, the AI will book the appointment without confirming the name, email, and phone number. So on platforms like Messenger, Instagram, and live chat, this is particularly important. So make sure these are enabled for your agent, and you will have no issues with that. And that's how you set up AppSetter for live chat. If you have any other questions, please just drop them in the WhatsApp group or the Discord.